2020 Land Rover Discovery SVX, 2020 Land Rover Discovery SVX release date, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Land Rover brand. The title of the article we take is 2020 Land Rover Discovery SVX, 2020 Land Rover Discovery SVX release date, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2020 Land Rover Discovery SVX, 2020 Land Rover Discovery SVX release date, new cars by. The JLR is improving its vehicle profile with the new 2020 Land Rover Discovery SVX. The future SUV has been revealed at the recent Frankfurt Motor Show. It will be marketed along with Friends Variety Rover SV Life Story and Variety Rover Game SVR. The SVX is unique in several ways. In fact, it is going to be the first vehicle from JLR Constant that will get hand constructed by expert artisans at the UK SVO Technological Centre of JLR. 2020 Land Rover Discovery SVX specs. The future 2020 Land Rover Discovery SVX is going to be the most ruggedly designed area rover ever as per the statements created by the company. From the external design, its toughness is obvious. There is a LED bar on its top and your vehicle also gets a hostile fender. The Finding SVX gets silk tectonic grayish color with hurry lemon accessories spread throughout the body. However, its Narvik black highly effective grille along with gold ceiling tracks contributes to the visible pizzazz. There are safety skid dishes under the bumpers. The JLR has also used all-terrain tires by Goodyear Wrangler and 20-inch tires. It can be purchased in trims SE, House, and House High Class. 2020 Land Rover Discovery SVX under the hood. Powering the future 2020 Land Rover Discovery SVX is a 5.0-liter revved-up V8 motor. Furthermore, it churns out 518 horsepower, assisted by an 8-speed automated gearbox device. To improve off-road expertise, JLR has loaded in gas active move management. Functions like all-terrain improvement management too, and mountain noise control are there too. Its metal monocoque structure along with four-corner air revocation installation helps process the lumps and potholes with aplomb. The vehicle is also full of highly effective balance management and electronic grip management. The JLR says the car can achieve 60 miles per hour from zero in only 5.6 seconds. The standard hauling potential is 3.500 kilograms. Also, an optionally available Go detail detecting feature is available. 2020 Land Rover Discovery SVX cabin and protection options. The Cottage is also developed with application in mind. The chairs get unique material and floor pads. The dash panel gets a 12.3-inch car owner show device group along with 10-inch touchscreen display screen. The latter is intended for managing the enjoyment features. While JLR has created the Finding SVX as an off-road centered vehicle, there should be enough facilities and top-notch precautionary features. Some cuts will get included 4G wireless. The Touch Pro infotainment program has been used and you can opt for top-quality Meridian audio systems. Optional facilities include back chair entertainment system. There are also plenty of safety bags in the Cottage. Apart from that, you get precautionary features like road keep support, independent urgent stopping, sightless spot support, in-compass camera installation and also inflexible vacation control. 2020 Land Rover Discovery SVX price and release date. The exact cost of 2020 Land Rover Discovery SVX is unidentified but it should be priced above its friends. It will achieve display rooms for sale in late 2019. The 2020 Land Rover Discovery SVX is an important vehicle for the famous English car producer. The design is threatening and also eye-catching. It gets an extremely effective motor and enough precautionary features to overcome off-road with ease. Thanks.